In this tutorial, you learn how you can place a text behind any object. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download this image link in the description. In first step, just go to side pane and select here this text tool. After this, just click on this image and just type here text. I am just typing here this beautiful and just press Ctrl Alt to select this text and just increase here its size. And you can also change here its color, whatever color you want. I am just selecting here this white color. After this, I am hit on a OK button, and you can also change here its font. I am selecting here this font of text Anton. Now just select here a move tool and make its size bigger. I am just making its size bigger, and you can also rotate this text wherever you want. I am just adjust it here. After this, I am just turn this layer off. Now I am selecting this background layer and selecting here a quick selection tool from a left side panel. Just select here this quick selection tool. With the quick selection tool, just make a selection of this subject. I am just click on this. Now our selection is created. I am just press Q key to see where my selection is not creating properly, and select here a brush tool and make a brush size larger and paint on these hairs. Just press X to toggle between these foreground color black and white. You can take your time to do this manually. I am just making my selection. Now my painting is finished. After this, I am just press a Q key on my keyboard. Now this selection is created. With the selection active, just press Ctrl plus J to make a copy of this and place this layer on this text. I am just placing it here. Now turn this layer on. Now you can see here our this text is placed behind this image. Now you can just place it anywhere where you want. You can see here. I am just adjusting it here. Now you can see here a final result. This is before, this is after placing this text behind an object. With this simple step, you can place a text behind on any object. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in a next video. Till then, bye bye.